This video tutorial explains how to wirelessly connect a CINENORM series monitor to a Panasonic BS1H camera via Wi-Fi. First, set up the camera, press menu to open the menu. Select LAN Wi-Fi, then choose LAN Wi-Fi function. Select New Connection, followed by Control with Lumix Tether. Choose Wi-Fi, then Direct, and select Manual Connection. Take note of the device password. Next, perform the connection on the monitor, tap the screen to bring up the menu. Select External Device Connection, then tap Wi-Fi and turn it on. In the Add New Device section on the right, locate the camera device. Enter the correct device password, and tap OK. When the control panel appears, it indicates that the camera has been successfully connected. Press REC to start or stop recording. Press Iris to adjust the aperture. Press Shutter to adjust the shutter speed. Press ISO to adjust the sensitivity. Press Focus to enable touch focus when in AF mode. Press WB to change the white balance mode. When the white balance mode is set to K, press CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to auto, press EV to adjust the exposure level. Press menu to open or close the camera menu. That concludes the full tutorial on wirelessly connecting a CINENORM series monitor to a Panasonic BS1H camera via Wi-Fi.